whose large experience is strength, whose best quality is the talent, whose experience and quality is worldwide famous. Oh yes, I'm talking about Marshall Technocast Pvt Limited. The famous company, manufacturers of precision investment casting by lost wax process. Marshall Technocast is a state-of-the-art investment casting production house from India. Located at Rajkot, Gujarat, the soon emerging as a vital center for investment casting, it has core advantages or expertise, experience and enthusiasm to deliver high-quality cast components to the thriving world of manufacturers. It is led by the dynamic and experienced
Mr. Suresh Vadudaria.
And largely casting since last 10 years. The experience alone is the biggest strategic strength of the company that spells great benefits for the client and customer. He's supported by Mr. Danish Waria, ME, as a Director Marketing with a decade of commercial experience in investment casting alone. His expertise will be at your disposal to get the best products at the most acceptable rates. So, let me introduce about the whole procedure of the company. Design and simulation. Designed to make right the first time with collaborative engineering. MTPL with help of customers in premature designing stages for building their products. Designed in the concept of design for manufacturing to make it right the first time. MTPL offers in-house facility for 3D modeling and 2D CAD drawing using latest CAD software. We can also work IGS, STEP, UG files from customers, supplied 3D models in various forms like Parasolid, IGES, STEP, UG files. Die making and inspection. We have all the facility and experience for the die making on VMC, MC for any kind of critical components, and we are also doing 100% die dimension inspection as per drawing before sampling. Wax pattern injection and assembly. Final casting quality is a mirror of the wax pattern quality. We use imported pattern wax and a soluble wax for accurate pattern making. Assembly design is done to produce best yield with best quality. We have 05 numbers or semi-automatic wax injections press with vertical injections and runner bar extrusion press. Shelling. The wax assembly is coated with a ceramic shell by repeated dipping in ceramic slurries and alternatively in dry beds of sand and clays. Heavy or thin sections are features of any part. Additional coating is to give added strength to the shell, thus eliminating bulging or distortion or the casting to complete at this stage. The ceramic shell is heated under gas-operated wax and the wax is removed by melting, leaving a hollow shell. The most crucial stage of the shelling process is the primary coating, where every fine grade of stand is used. This in turn results in a casting with excellent production detail and the designated surface finish. Dewaxing. Melting. The next process is the most important one. Melting process is the part which impresses the image of investment casting product. The quality of the product depends on the melting process. That's why only our melting shop is equipped with Inductotherm make induction furnace with 300 and 150 kg crucibles and temperature control shell baking furnace. We use standard and best quality scrap to ensure best metallurgical quality of investment casting products. Abrasive cutting machines. Heat treatment to ensure desired material properties. We are doing heat treatment like solution annealing, normalizing, tempering with temperature control, electric heat treatment furnace along with special requirement of customers. Best heat treatment practices ensured by the microstructure study after heat treatment. Fettling. Our fettling shop is equipped with shat and sand blasting machines, belt grinders, other machineries necessary for the fettling. We are also doing electroplating and other plating and coating as per requirements. We supply the casting without any gate and the riser pads. Final inspection. All casting are subject to 100% visual inspections. All critical dimensions are 100% inspected before packing and final shipment. Packing. We are always taking care of finished product delivery. We use standard seaworthy wooden pallets and corrugated boxes for domestic and export packing. So these were the steps of last waxing process. Now let's take a view of our in-house facility. Quality, material handled. Committed to quality, we adapt rigorous quality checking system to come up with the best products. Comparing to the international standards and parameters, our products are high on all these aspects that are performance, durability, and utility. Chemical testing, tensile testing, proof stress, impact testing, microstructure analysis, Brunel hardness test, Rockwell's hardness test. Chemical testing. Chemical testing using spectrometers, Spectromax X, made in Germany, which is well calibrated using setting up samples and certified reference materials. We have ability to check 17 elements in our spectrometers like tensile testing and proof stress. Tensile testing with 0.2% and 1% proof stress by using computerized universal testing machines with extensometer by 20-ton capacity or make test well and calibrated by NABL approved lab. A tensile test, also known as tension test, is probably the most fundamental type or mechanical test we perform on material. Impact testing. Impact testing facility is available at room temperature minus 46 degrees centigrade and also at minus 196 degrees centigrade, which is well calibrated by NABL approved agency and also complies with the requirements of ASTM E23. Impact value is measured in Sobel Sol. Impact testing is testing an object's ability to resist high rate loading. An impact test is a test determining the energy absorbed in fracturing a test piece at high velocity. Microstructure analysis. Microstructure and other related testing is done as per customer requirement. NDT testing. We can carry in-house various non-destructive testing like as radiography testing, liquid penetration test, magnetic particle inspection. Also serve additional testing facility like as pressure testing, IGC testing like as ABC, Brunel hardness test and Rockwell hardness test. The oldest of the hardness test methods in common use today, the Brunel test is frequently used to determine the hardness of casting that have a grain structure 2 cores for Rockwell or witness testing. Material handled. We produce any special metals as per customer's specification or international standard specification like IS, ASTM, AISI, SAE, DIN, EN, JIS. Provide investment casting solution by Lost Wax process that makes Marshall the most admired brand across the world. Focus on delivering solutions that work rather than just products. Develop manpower that grows on altitude and work performance consistently. Make use of the latest technology in production and quality control. Be market sensitive and adapt to the emerging changes in the markets. The management plus the team plus the process quality. The company is awarded by below mentioned certification for their efforts to maintain total quality system. ISO 9001 2008 TUV
Nord.
Add 2000 Mark Blatt WO by TUV
Nord.
RED 97/23/EC by TUV
Nord.
Marshall Technocast Pvt Limited has created its own unique and leading identity in all the sectors: automobile, engineering, fitting, oil components, hardware, pumps and valves, aerospace casting, firefighting components. So we are always there where quality is needed. Our markets. The company is confident of serving Indian as well as international customers. Our production capacities empowers us to cater to any requirement in investment casting. The company is in the process of building a good customer base all over India. The marketing department is also in touch with a number of prospective buyers in
Germany, Italy, Spain, Portugal, France, Belgium, Sweden, UK, Canada, USA, Russia, China, and Australia.
To the customer all over the world, I am sure you too are working for living better. We are with you in your mission. We will make all efforts to deliver you the best than others with each passing day.
The company is sure to have a very strong marketing base within a short period of time. We are sure that our company will satisfy our customers with great quality and with great service. Our quality is our introduction. Our faith is your valuation.